So I'm about to do my makeup. I don't know if you guys can see me. I feel like it's really low. I wanted to film like a get ready with me kind of thing for like a main video. I mean, these vlogs are main videos I guess as well, but you know what I mean, a video that's not a vlog. But my camera has no charge. For my makeup I want to do something kind of a bit more like outgoing, you know, because it's a concert, you know. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do yet. I might do like a pink kind of eye look. So I just finished my eyes. I still have to do my like contour and highlight and stuff like that, but I thought I would update you. So this is the look I've gone for. It's like a pink smoky kind of look. Yeah, I really like it. If you guys want a tutorial then let me know. Okay, I finished the rest. I did a lot of highlight and also like a pigment over the highlight on my cheekbones so that it's like pink and matches the eyes. I'm in a rush now because I need to go fill up my car with petrol and I'm leaving in like 50 minutes and I still need to get changed. I'm gonna leave my hair, like I literally don't care. So I've got this mesh top on. I think it's from Misguided but I'm not 100% sure. And then underneath I just have this bralette. And then I have these flares and I think they're really cool. And I know that some people won't like them. Is it on? Yep. So we're going to the train station, then we're gonna get the train in.
That's so weird. Do you want me to just film it? Look, it looks like you're gonna keep up with the Kardashians. It's like a documentary. Yes. Oh.
How's everyone feeling? Are you all excited?
Shut up, Iona. Sophie. Hi. Hey, Kat. Why don't you just film? Run. Oh my god, there's 2 teeth. I got my back.
So did I. Yeah. We're in Nando's now. Okay. I feel like someone's gonna walk in. I'm in the bathroom. This is really like cool. If you're wondering what I got 2 sides because I don't like chicken. Well, I do, but like I'm really iffy about chicken. So I got garlic bread and chips. I feel like people are staring at me.
I was an absolute, like, one camera. Even more already.
We're here. is. It's very cold. Sorry if you can't see me. Oh, I'm getting the stairs. Can you see me?
You have to edit that link.
No. I'm back with the flash. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is really embarrassing. And I'll myself. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.